Forget everything you thought you knew about life on the road. These top 3 luxury motorhomes will blow your mind with features you never imagined could exist on wheels. Number 1. Welcome to GearHead Insight, your go-to destination for exploring the most extraordinary machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into the world of the 2026 Luxury Motorhome, a vehicle that redefines travel, blending high-end comfort, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking design into one rolling masterpiece. From the outside, the luxury motorhome demands attention. The full body paint finish gleams under sunlight, and the sleek aerodynamic body lines give it a modern, commanding presence on the road. Chrome accents, LED light strips, and premium alloy wheels enhance its luxurious appeal, ensuring it stands out whether parked at a resort or cruising down the highway. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, it offers exceptional stability and smooth handling even on challenging terrain. Under the hood, a powerful turbocharged diesel engine delivers both efficiency and performance, making long-distance travel effortless. The advanced suspension system soaks up bumps, ensuring every journey feels refined and comfortable. Step inside, and it's like entering a 5-star suite on wheels. The interior boasts handcrafted cabinetry, genuine leather upholstery, and polished marble-style flooring. The living space is designed with multiple slide-outs, creating a spacious lounge area perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views of the surroundings while flooding the interior with natural light. The living area features a high-definition entertainment center, complete with a large smart TV, surround sound, and streaming capabilities. Ambient LED lighting allows you to set the perfect mood, whether you're enjoying a quiet evening or hosting friends. In the kitchen, high-end appliances make cooking a pleasure. You'll find a residential-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in dishwasher. Elegant stone countertops, a stylish backsplash, and deep storage cabinets combine functionality with beauty. The bedroom suite offers a king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress, promising restful nights no matter where you're parked. The suite also includes a dedicated entertainment screen, generous wardrobe space, and elegant finishes that make it feel like a true retreat. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a large walk-in shower with rainfall showerhead, dual vanities, and heated tile flooring. Every detail is crafted for comfort and style, turning daily routines into moments of indulgence. Smart technology integrates seamlessly throughout the luxury motorhome, with a central touchscreen control system managing lighting, climate, and security features. Multi-zone climate control, solar charging capability, and a robust battery system make off-grid adventures both comfortable and sustainable. Safety comes first, with advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera system, giving drivers complete confidence on the road. The 2026 luxury motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's about experiencing the freedom of the open road without compromising on comfort, elegance, or performance. Number 2. The 2026 luxury motorhome stands as a testament to what happens when engineering brilliance meets world-class luxury. Designed for travelers who refuse to compromise on comfort, it transforms long road trips into 5-star vacations, no matter where the journey leads. Its exterior is a visual statement of elegance and power. Smooth, flowing body lines merge seamlessly with a high-gloss paint job, while chrome-trimmed accents and LED running lights add a futuristic flair. The aerodynamic profile isn't just for looks, it enhances fuel efficiency and stability on highways and winding roads alike. Heavy-duty alloy wheels and reinforced side panels ensure both durability and style. Underneath its sleek skin lies a robust turbocharged diesel engine paired with a precision-tuned transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive towing capacity. The adaptive suspension system adjusts automatically to road conditions, making every ride exceptionally stable and comfortable. Step inside, and the luxury motorhome reveals its true magic. The interior feels like a high-end penthouse, with wide slide-outs that expand the living space dramatically. Premium hardwood cabinetry, soft leather seating, and imported stone surfaces create an atmosphere of opulence. The spacious lounge area includes a plush sectional sofa, a large entertainment display, and a surround sound system, making it perfect for unwinding after a long day of exploration. The gourmet kitchen rivals those in luxury homes. Equipped with a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, and dishwasher, it turns cooking on the road into a pleasure. Deep storage drawers, a wine cooler, and a stylish stone backsplash complete the space, making it both functional and beautiful. The master suite is a haven of relaxation. A king-size bed with a high-end mattress ensures restful nights, while large wardrobes and discreet storage compartments keep belongings organized. Soft lighting and premium fabrics enhance the warm, inviting atmosphere. The suite also includes its own entertainment system, ensuring privacy and comfort. The spa-inspired bathroom features a spacious walk-in shower with glass doors, a rainfall showerhead, and heated flooring. Elegant double vanities with backlit mirrors add a touch of sophistication, turning daily routines into indulgent experiences. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the motorhome. A centralized smart control panel allows effortless management of lighting, temperature, and security. Solar panels, an advanced battery system, and energy-efficient appliances make extended off-grid stays both possible and comfortable. Safety remains a top priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, collision prevention systems, and a panoramic camera network. These systems work together to give drivers confidence, whether maneuvering in tight spaces or cruising at highway speeds. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome is more than just a means of travel, it's a mobile sanctuary. With its perfect balance of style, comfort, and performance, it invites you to see the world without ever leaving behind the luxuries of home. Number 3. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile living, combining the sophistication of a luxury estate with the freedom of the open road. Built for travelers who demand the very best, it offers an unparalleled blend of comfort, technology, and design innovation. From the outside, its commanding presence is undeniable. A streamlined body with sculpted edges and a flawless metallic finish exudes elegance, while custom chrome accents and LED matrix headlights provide a modern, high-tech look. The full-length tinted windows not only enhance privacy but also give the motorhome a sleek, continuous profile. Heavy-duty wheels and a reinforced chassis ensure both strength and stability for every type of journey. Under the hood, the luxury motorhome boasts a high-performance diesel engine engineered for quiet, efficient power delivery. Paired with an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth acceleration and exceptional control. The adaptive air suspension system continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride whether navigating highways, mountain passes, or uneven terrain. Inside, every inch reflects meticulous craftsmanship. Expansive slide-outs increase living space, creating a layout that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Premium hardwoods, Italian leather upholstery, and hand-polished stone surfaces set the tone for an upscale travel experience. The living area is anchored by a plush sofa, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and an electric fireplace, making it a cozy retreat in any climate. The gourmet kitchen is fully equipped for culinary excellence. A large refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and built-in espresso machine make meal preparation a joy. Soft close cabinets, deep storage drawers, and a stylish marble-look backsplash enhance both function and aesthetics. The adjacent dining area features a convertible table with panoramic window views, perfect for enjoying meals while taking in the scenery. The private master suite is designed for ultimate relaxation. A king-size bed with a luxury memory foam mattress guarantees restful sleep, while generous wardrobe space and under-bed storage keep essentials organized. Soft ambient lighting, climate control, and a private entertainment screen make the suite a personal sanctuary. The spa-inspired bathroom rivals those of high-end hotels. A large walk-in shower with rainfall and handheld options, heated tile floors, and a backlit vanity mirror elevate the daily routine into a luxurious ritual. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the motorhome. A central smart control hub allows easy management of lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security systems. Solar panels and a high-capacity battery bank support extended off-grid living, while energy-efficient appliances maximize sustainability without sacrificing comfort. Safety features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, multiple camera views, and advanced braking systems. These technologies ensure peace of mind whether cruising long distances or maneuvering into tight spaces. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It offers the freedom to explore the world without compromising the comfort, elegance, and sophistication of a permanent home. Take care and subscribe to my YouTube channel.